दोस्तों, मैं रमेश कुमार। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही कॉमन टॉपिक है। डोंट कंपेयर योर सीटीसी विथ योर peers, with your friends, with your known people, with your people whom you network with. Because what happens, that brings immediately a block in the mindset. क्योंकि सबका सीटीसी अलग होगा। सबका सीटीसी इसके लिए अलग होगा क्योंकि एवरी पर्सन कम्स विथ अ डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज, डिफरेंट स्किल्स, डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड, different qualification, different talent, different strength, different weakness. Many things are there. So if you start comparing CTC of yourself with others and you get upset, and when it is high, you get a feeling of a low feeling, you get a feeling of being cheated, or you get a feeling of inferiority complex will creep inside the mind. That is wrong. That is wrong way to take the CTC in your mind, because you cannot control the CTC of every colleagues you have in the company, because you are also an employee. So try to be confident about yourself. Try to be confident about your talent, about your skills, about your way of working, instead of looking for others' salary, others' CTC, others' strength and weakness, because that will not help you at all. Suppose today if you ask your friend that can you tell me your CTC, and he tells a CTC which is 10,000 more than you, but you think that he is doing the same job what I am doing. He is on the same level at what I am. Then you will feel, definitely you will feel as a human nature very bad about it. You will not tell, but at least it will get stuck in your mind. And after that, what will happen? That everybody knows, you will lose the focus on your work. You will lose the focus on your commitments. You will lose the focus on coming every day to work. And you will start fighting with your mind that why my salary is low, why it is high, what is he doing? You will lose the friendship also. You will lose that person also. Many things will happen. So in that case, you don't know that what discussion that person had done with the HR, at what situation he has been given that much of salary, and what are his criteria of coming inside, what are his skills, what are his strength, what are his abilities, and what promises he has made or company has made. You don't know the background. You are only watching the salary. So don't compare your CTC with others, because you don't know how and why and what all one person is carrying with him. Maybe he has more experience, maybe he is more courageous, maybe he has some skill which you don't have, maybe he has some talent which you don't have, maybe his strength is more than your strength, maybe his capacity to take problems in his stride is good than you, maybe he is a good salesman, something is good. But if you start comparing the salary with others, you will never feel good about your work, and that will disturb you, and that will make you lose your focus. And I'm afraid to tell that if this happens, then slowly and slowly you are moving towards losing your job. So please resist yourself from asking CTC of your colleagues, because the problem is not the CTC, the problem is the impact it gives on the mind of the other person. If the CTC is more also, and if the CTC is less also, you will have a direct impact of that in your mind, and that mind will not allow you to take rest, to focus on your work, and you will lose all your focus from the work, and your mind will start walking on the different track. So focus on your work, more focus on your skills, more focus on the value work what you are giving to the company, more focus on your importance, on your strength, on your talent, and company always is watching you, and they will give you what you deserve, that is for sure. But never compare your salary with others, never ask CTC with others. If you are very broad-minded, if you are very matured, if you are very much wise, then it is okay. But it depends how you take it, because don't let comparison cloud your decisions, because people start thinking to leave the job, people start thinking to take a break, people start thinking to give resignation, people start looking out for different job because they get restless that why a colleague who is same to me is getting more salary than me. He gets restless, he cannot think anything else, he gets stuck on that point, and it disturbs his career more rather than the person's career who is getting more salary. So best part is you do your best part and leave it to the rest to the management of the company, and when time comes you can tell to the management that I deserve this, and I'm sure you will get it. I hope I must have given this message out to how to handle such situation in office or at workplace, which is very important because many people get restless, lose their focus on the job, lose their interest on the job, and they don't perform, and then ultimately they lose the job, and then they tell that company has thrown me out, but the correct reason nobody will tell or nobody will disclose. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.